We are Team Humanize. We are here to present about manufacturing and non-manufacturing cost. Manufacturing shall be handled by me and Raju. Later on, non-manufacturing will be continued by Nizam. Manufacturing cost. Manufacturing companies are involved in acquiring raw materials, producing finished goods. Therefore, an understanding of cost in a manufacturing companies can be very useful in understanding cost. Manufacturing costs are divided into three types: direct materials, direct labor, manufacturing overheads. Direct materials. The materials which are directly involved in production process can be easily traced. For example, raw materials wood in cases of furniture making. Another one example, HP and DuPont. The plastic produced by DuPont are raw materials used HP in its personal computers. Next one, direct labor. The laborers are workers who are directly involved in production process can be easily traced to individual units of products. For example, carpenters at the home builders. Another one example, assembly line at workers are manufacturing. Next one,
indirect labor. Next one is indirect expenses. Indirect expenses are used in property, taxes, and insurance. This is the indirect expense. Next one is expense.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So next term is of non-manufacturing cost. In non-manufacturing cost, the costs which are not related to manufacturing, means the cost other than manufacturing which is not related. So in manufacturing cost there are two types: selling cost and administrative cost. So what is selling cost? Selling cost means the cost all incurred in the process of selling a product. When the product is produced, they incurred all manufacturing costs like direct material, indirect material, direct labor, and manufacturing overheads. But in non-manufacturing costs, they need to sell the product also. To sell a product, they incur some kind of cost. That is selling cost. For example, we can take selling cost as for advertising, we need to spend money, and for shipping, sales travel, sales salaries, incentives, etc. So this was about selling cost and administrative cost. So apart from selling cost, the manufacturing firm has to maintain an office also. All the costs related to administration like office are called as administrative cost. In administrative cost, we can take an examples of salaries given to the employees, or else with the expenses spent on power, printing like papers and all. If they have to take any order also, they have to have an invoice. So for that also cost incurred will be included in administrative cost. So this was about the manufacturing and non-manufacturing cost. Thank you. Any questions?